Pooja and her friends have a big chance today. They are going to watch the launch of a satellite by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Being a grade 9 student, Pooja already knew that the launching of a rocket is based on Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The burning fuel releases a huge amount of exhaust gases which act on the air. The air in turn reacts in the opposite direction, which lifts the rocket. Once the rocket is lifted, the weight of the rocket is completely balanced by this reaction. Hence, the net external force acting on the rocket is zero. Pooja had understood all of this. At the launch, she saw that the rocket was almost stationary for a very small moment, and then slowly it started to rise up in the air. This was all expected, but Pooja noticed that the velocity of the rocket kept increasing as it moved towards the sky. That means the rocket is accelerating further. But to accelerate the rocket, force has to be applied. Now Pooja was sure that the weight of the satellite is balanced by the reaction to the exhaust gases, and hence the net force must be zero. But then, according to the first law, when net force is zero, the velocity can't increase, right? To get it clarified, Pooja went to her teacher. The teacher told her that this is an application of Newton's second law. Indeed, the weight of the rocket is balanced by the upward reaction, and the net force on the rocket is zero. But force, according to Newton's second law, is equal to change in momentum divided by time. When the net force is zero, the change in momentum is also zero, and it means that momentum is constant. But when the fuel is burnt, gases are exhausted out, the mass of the rocket is constantly decreasing, but the momentum is constant. Clearly, the velocity is constantly increasing. This increase in speed is not because of an unbalanced force, but because of a decrease in the mass of an object which is moving with constant momentum. Cycling back home, Pooja's friend pushed the cycle carrier downwards and boarded off the slowly running cycle. Pooja suddenly felt as if the cycle was pushed ahead. But she immediately realized when net external force is zero, momentum is conserved and the decrease in mass results in an increase in speed. Hope you got it too. See you next time.